What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPad Air 4th generation. This is the newest iPad from Apple. You can get this in either the 64 gigabyte variant or the 256 gigabyte variant. Ranges from $5.99 going all the way up to $7.99 for the cellular version. Comes in 5 colors: space gray, silver, rose gold, green, and sky blue. This one is the space gray model. And just to go over some of the tech specs of it, it comes in at about 1 pound, and it has the newest processor, the A14 Bionic, and it has a 10.9-inch LED backlit screen, 2360 by 1640 pixel resolution, wide color display, P3 true tone display, fingerprint resistant coating, fully laminated display, anti-reflective coating, 500 nits of brightness, and it supports Touch ID. And you can also use the 2nd generation Apple Pencil with this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Apologize, my kitten is running around here. So if you hear him meowing in the background, you just tell T'Challa, pipe down. Nah, that's my guy. That's my guy. So let's take a look at it. The usual Apple crisp unboxing experience. Very simple, very minimal. And I can just tell right now, just by utilizing the other iPad, the iPad Pro, this one is super light. So let's put this right here. This is usual books sticker. I believe you still get a sticker. Not. I guess you don't get no stickers anymore. Okay. Apple cheating out on this. Oh, duh. Yeah, stickers right there. So you do get stickers. Charging brick. Let's see what this is. I believe it's a 25 watt. I believe 20 watt. 20 watt. USB-C to USB-C. So I'm definitely feeling that. Getting away from the lightning. And here's the tablet itself. And when they say Air, it's light. This is probably the perfect model. So as you can see right here, the tablet itself. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up. Make sure it has some juice. This does have the smart connector, so you can connect a keyboard. And I got a couple keyboards that I want to try out to see which one will work. Has the magnetic plate, so I believe you can rest the Apple Pencil on there. Touch ID, and there you go. So I don't want to keep you guys here too long, because I know you guys have probably already seen it, but there will be more videos coming with the tablet and the keyboards. So just look out for that. If you guys could help me out with all the YouTube stuff, like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It definitely helps out the channel. So you guys take care of each other. Peace.